Local news for Wednesday, the 16th of October. Voter turnout in Wairarapa has improved. The average voter turnout at territorial authorities across the country was at 48.3%. Carterton was just over 56 and South Wairarapa just over 55, both making the top 20 most improved. Masterton's was just under 49%. Winners in New Zealand's most prestigious competition for olive oil were announced recently at a formal dinner in Wellington. The New Zealand Extra Virgin Olive Oil Awards are run by Olives Oil New Zealand and saw Wairarapa oils get top gongs. Best flavoured oil was won by the Olive Press, while the Reserve Best in Show by Olia Estate. UCOL is holding a series of employment expos across its campuses to help students explore job opportunities before they finish studies. Coordinator Ty Weeks says the employment expos will allow businesses and employment-related services to come to UCOL and connect directly with talented students, with Wairarapa's set down for the 6th of November. And in sport, the Wairarapa cricket season will get underway this weekend, weather permitting. Saturday will see the start of 6 different competitions, from the Coastal Challenge and Super Smash to the Umpires Cup and Trevor Martin Trophy. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.